Hey folks, thanks for joining us today. Today we are going to do corned beef in our Smokaroma Pressure Smoker. So I have rinsed out this cut of corned beef. We're gonna do a dry rub on it. Alright, this is the actual seasoning that came with the meat, so I'm going to sprinkle that on top actually. Since the seasoning is so much thicker, we're gonna pat it on. About 2 hours and 15 minutes. They're fairly thin cuts. Corned beef is just a brisket that has been brined, so it's gonna cook a lot like a brisket. So our Smokaroma Pressure Smoker is a great way to smoke any types of meat. It will do chicken in 45 minutes. It will do pulled pork and brisket in about 2.5–3 hours. You're looking at doing ribs in about 50 minutes, turkey breasts in about 45, and smoked salmon in about 30. It smokes in half, 1/4 the cook time as a traditional smoker. You know, chicken will usually take about 4 hours. The Smokaroma will do it in 45 minutes. It also only uses about 4 ounces of smoked chips. So there's a lot of wood savings there for anybody who wants to smoke their own meats. It's great for any type of fine dining restaurant, taco shop, Mexican restaurant, any place that wants to add an elevated flavor of smoke to their meats. Just makes all the meats have almost like a 20–30% moisture retention on it, so it's more tender and juicier. And it's just a great machine for any type of culinary. You can also cold smoke with it, so if you wanted to make a smoked blueberry barbecue sauce, you would cold smoke your blueberries and blend it into your barbecue sauce. Just a great piece of machinery. The corned beef is done. I just want to show you how tender it is. Very, very tender. Yeah, and it'll cook almost anything you throw in it. Yeah, great smoke flavor to it, and just very tender, very quick smoke. Alright, thanks for joining us today, guys. Have a great day.